So here we are unboxing the Nike Offline 2.0. So it is the medium olive green colorway. A great pickup at the Nike outlet for just reduced down to I think $39.95, which is an absolutely banging deal. So I've been looking at these for quite a while and I saw them at the Nike store, I had to get them. Let's take a look inside the box. Yeah, so just check out those insoles, look how thick they are. That's bags of comfort right there. Check these out. So straight away, not the best colorway, I would say. But yeah, I still like them. They're going to be my next house shoe for sure. Looking quite fresh. Obviously you've got your laces here to tighten them up. You've got a massive chunky midsole here. Fit close around the foot, really snug. Haven't tried them on just yet, just in the store, but can't wait to get them on foot. I mean, yeah, they're unique. Not everyone's gonna love them, but yeah, let us know what you think in the comment section. If you like them, if you've got a pair, if you do think they're comfortable, yeah, just give us a message. Let us know. Yeah, let's try putting this in for the first time, this insole. As you can see when you get that in, let's just bring it up. Just bring it up here a sec. Yeah, that really gives a real big bounce there. So yeah, can you see? That's going to be a really comfortable shoe. I'm not going to wear them out the house, I'm going to keep them on purely just as a sort of a house shoe slipper. Yeah, I love these. $39.95, what an absolute bargain.